Today I'll show you how to use easily available composite materials to construct a small raised bed just perfect for the small garden. Measure and cut 4 10.5-inch lengths from the composite post. Pre-drill the holes for the screws on the longer side. Measure in 3/4 of an inch from the end. Here I'm using a countersinking bit in the drill. Make 2 holes on each end of the 2 longer sides. Place 1 10.5-inch post side on and attach the long pre-drilled board using 2 exterior grade screws. Here I'm using 1.25-inch decking screws left over from another project. Repeat this for the remaining 3 posts. Set the 2 long sides on a level surface as shown so that the ends can be attached. Cut the 2 end boards to the desired width. Here I'm making a 4-foot wide bed. Attach these pieces by pre-drilling holes and then securing with 2 screws in each corner. There we have it, ready to be installed. Made from composite material, this raised bed will not only last for years, but is light enough to be moved to any position required. To prepare the site for a raised bed, first mark out the area, allowing 2 feet between beds for easy access. Dig a trench the width and the depth of the blade of your spade. Put the soil from this first trench to the far end of the area being prepared. For a small raised bed you can probably throw it this far, but for a larger area a wheelbarrow will make life a lot easier. Loosen the soil at the bottom of the trench and add about 1 inch or 2 of compost. Dig another trench alongside, pushing the soil forward to fill the first trench. Break up any larger clumps of soil and remove weeds as you go. Repeat this process, adding more compost each time until you reach the end of your area. Add more compost to the last trench and then refill it from the soil you took from the first one. Go over the whole area with a rake to level it, and at the same time remove any more large clumps, stones or any weeds that might be left over. Lay the composite frame onto the prepared site and tap each corner with a rubber mallet to mark its position. Remove some soil to about 6 inches deep at each corner to allow the frame to sit in the soil. This keeps it in position. Drop the frame back into the holes and tap into place with a rubber mallet. Backfill the holes and press the soil firmly around the outside of the frame. Add more topsoil and compost and mix this in well with the existing soil. A final rake to level it all and we're ready for sowing. Ideal for use with shallow rooted vegetables or as a flower bed. By adding more boards, it can be used for deeper rooted vegetables and can be adapted for use by people who find bending difficult.